Hey fellow Stock Guardians, it's Hoda Meher, founder and CEO of StockGuard, and this is our Stock Market Daily Roll Show. Today is August 13th, 2021. I looked at contradictory forces that shape the market sentiment and investigated two stocks shaping the future of food that could be a good addition to our future of food portfolio in two very different ways: Yum Brands and Tattooed Chef. Let's get started. The market indices ended the day in the green. Contradictory forces are shaping the market sentiment. Thursday's jobless claims report from the Bureau of Labor Statistics painted a better economic picture with a lower number of new claims for the third row in a week. However, a survey of customers by the University of Michigan showed consumers' surprising loss of confidence at the beginning of August. This could be due to the growing concerns around the COVID Delta variant. In the end, positive sentiment won over, and all three indices finished the week in the green. Before we get to today's two stock analysis related to the future of food, let me thank you for being a Stock Guardian. My team and I appreciate you watching, listening to, and reading the Daily Roll Show. And more importantly, we thank you for using the StockGuard platform in your stock market research. Thank you for being a Stock Guardian. If you aren't a user yet, I'd like to invite you to try now. First, hit the like button, subscribe to the show, and then create a free account on stockguard.io. Thanks for becoming a new Stock Guardian. Folks, recently we have been exploring some food companies that are innovating how we eat. For example, we discussed Wendy's, ticker WEN, ghost kitchen ideas. From plant-based food to fermented ingredients and new ways to prepare and deliver food, the way we eat is changing rapidly, and that's why the team at StockGuard manages the future of food portfolio. Today's winner stock is a company that is innovating how food is delivered to us. Yum Brand, ticker YUM's Taco Bell franchise is defying the norm of fast food drive-thrus. I mean that quite literally. Taco Bell is breaking ground this month on experimental DeFi drive-thru only building. Fast food companies across the nation pivoted to depending on contactless food services like drive-thrus during the pandemic. Many went through quite a lot of operational challenges to deliver food efficiently in this new world, and now we see food delivery innovation popping up all around us. Drive-thrus and mobile order windows are great ways for companies to increase sales revenue, and this new step is taking the idea all the way. Yum Brands had its earnings call 2 weeks ago, which surpassed expectations. The investor reaction brought the stock price up from $120 per share to $130 per share, and it has continued to climb steadily since. The company also owns KFC and Pizza Hut, among other brands. Its stock chart shows good profitability, revenue growth this fiscal year, and free cash flow generating operations. With 1.5% in dividend yield, the stock could easily fit into a dividend-focused portfolio, although there are some concerns about the amount of debt it carries. If the innovations such as the new drive-thru pay off, Yum Brand can expand it across all its brands and run a much more profitable business. It is worth watching, especially if you are a dividend-focused investor. Yum Brands is shaping the future of food by reimagining drive-thrus. Speaking of companies on the mission to shape the future of food and get into our future of food portfolio, I want to revisit an old favorite of mine. Tattooed Chef, ticker TTCF, has been on my personal 2021 watch list for a while. You can find this by searching 2021 watch list on StockGuard's Stock Picks page. I've been waiting around for this stock to drop so I could snatch it up at a good price. My wish may have come true today. Tattooed Chef shares were down 16% by the close. It's a ready-to-eat plant-based food startup that focuses on frozen aisle for now and serves you things like Buddha bowls and cauliflower pizza. It was founded in 2018, but despite its young age, its revenue is growing rapidly and it's already profitable. Earlier today, the company released its earnings report for this quarter. Tattooed Chef saw a 46% growth in revenue this year, which was great, but investors latched onto some future guidance. It forecasted a lower gross margin and a substantial loss in adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, known as EBITDA. As far as last quarter, EBITDA was a loss of $5.9 million, yet future guidance from the company is expanding an even more significant loss of $14 to $17 million. It's no wonder that the company has a short interest of 14%, as I see on its stock card. The reason for the loss of profitability, according to the management, is reinvesting into expansion. Investors forget that the company is just 2-3 years old and already has distribution deals with Walmart, Costco, Target, Sam's Club, and more. Thanks to the latest price drop, I'm considering picking up some more shares on Monday to enjoy a lower price. Tattooed Chef is shaping the future of food by delivering better, pre-made food in grocery aisles. Folks, I've already told you a few times this week, and I want to share this exciting news once again, that we rolled out a significant new update to StockCard. You can now search ETFs using the same easy-to-use and intuitive visualizations and color coding on StockCard. ETF cards have been one of the most requested features you have asked for in the last 12 months, and your wish is our command. A couple of days ago, I uploaded a quick rundown to show you how to research ETFs using the new ETF cards. For a more in-depth explanation, I'd like to invite you to check out the demo video. I'll leave a link in the show notes. That's it for today. If you haven't already done so, please give StockCard a try. Research as many stocks and ETFs as you want, and consider following a few successful investors by visiting the stock picks page on the StockCard platform. Don't forget to sign up for a 14-day free trial with promo code ROLLWITHOURCEO, all lowercase and in one word. Like, subscribe, and share these daily market recap reports with your friends and fellow investors. Come back next week for another market recap report episode. See you then.